is Cherie here with another video, and today we will be doing an unboxing from some products of the Queen collection from Woman to Woman Naturals. Okay, so Woman to Woman Naturals was kind enough to send out their Queen collection to me. They will be having a promotion this month. Yeah, by the time you see this video, it'll be September. And they wanted me to test out what they have and let you guys know what I thought. And so I am doing an unboxing today. And when I open the box, this is what we have. A nice little info card there. So that is a nice touch. I always love when a company takes time to put their packaging together in a presentable way where you feel special when you get their products. So we've got the pepper in here, and then we've got a thank you, and it says thank you for your purchase, and it actually says, hello, my name is Liz, your order was packed with love and care by me. So that's a nice little personal touch. I love that. And it was content checked and double checked by quality control. It's very important. Says thank you for your purchase. Have a gorgeous day. Use the code 10OFF to get 10% off your next purchase. So even give you a coupon code here, you guys. So in the Queen collection, we have 3 products. Moisturizing shampoo. Moisturizing shampoo is vegan, paraben, and sulfate free. It is rich in shea butter and hibiscus for maximum color retaining and anti-aging results. We're just going to give this a little smell. Oh, and it's sealed. This is what I like, to know that nobody else has opened this. It's a nice flowery smell. Doesn't smell too strong. And this is kind of what shampoo looks like. So it's supposed to be moisturizing shampoo, and it looks like they use olein sulfonate as the cleansing agent. Water, they got citrus, fruit extract, shea butter, pyrus smellis, apple fruit extract, camellia, sinus leaf extract. So pretty good natural ingredients in here. Moving on, there is, and we get right to the important stuff. I like that. The nourishing hair mask, and this was actually made in Israel. Very interesting. All right, let me find out. So pre-shampoo, after shampooing, deep conditioner. Its ingredients are aqua, cetyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, benzimonium chloride, Persia, gratissimo oil, dimethicone. Does have dimethicone. That is the 6 ingredient. So it's not halfway. It's kind of close up to the top. So that's something to keep in mind if you do stay away from combs. I try to do so myself, but we're gonna check this out and see, what it feels like. It is a reparative, replenishing, nourishing conditioner. Gonna open it up and try to see what it smells like. Again, we got the protective cover. Just nice, always nice. Oh, this smells really nice too. So it's very thick, very creamy. I love the scent. It's light. It's kind of like a tropical garden type of smell. If that gives you any kind of clue, I really don't know what it smells like, but it's very pleasant, not overpowering at all. And it says this can be used for pre-shampoo, after shampooing. And so since it does have dimethicone in it, I may use it as a pre-shampoo instead, which tends to work better for me since I know that I may have to, you know, worry about getting the silicones out later on. So that is great that it has multi-purpose use. And finally, we have the Queen Collection leave-in conditioner. It says it contains certified organic ingredients, passion fruit seed oil, wheat protein, biotin, and horsetail extract. So it definitely is enriched with proteins. It says the Queen Collection leave-in conditioner is the ideal solution for controlling unruly, frizzy, dry, and damaged hair, leaving it silky smooth and full of softness and shine while offering thermal protection. Also works to make hair stronger, healthier, and more manageable in a natural way while protecting and extending the life of color-treated hair. And I do have color-treated hair, so these are some things that I look for in some of my products. It's just a rinse, so I just have to worry about products with ingredients that are so harsh that they may cause it to rinse out sooner than I would like it to. And this is something that helps to keep your color. It says you apply it to damp hair after shampooing and conditioning. Focus on dry, damaged areas such as ends. And it's also great on dry hair. That's awesome. First few ingredients are water, cetyl alcohol, benhydramonium chloride, biotin, and we got hexapeptide, looks like an amino acid, panthenol, sunflower seed extract, cocoa extract. I do see some cones in here. I see trimethicone. I'm not sure if that is one that is water soluble. I will have to look at that. I don't see dimethicone. I see trimethicone. I do see the hydrolyzed wheat protein. The trimethicone is definitely down at the bottom, so it's not something that's super alarming. Okay, I see dimethicone as well. It's closer towards the bottom, so it's not a ton of it in here, but it is in the leave-in conditioner as well. So just something you may want to be mindful of if you try to stay away from cones or watch your use of them. Let's do a smell test. Nice and sealed. Oh, there's texture for you. Ooh. Oh, this feels really nice, you guys. And it could be the cones, but it feels nice and smooth. Okay, this is extremely light. Very light. I can tell that this is going to penetrate into my hair like right away when I use it. So, looking forward to trying it out. You can't always count out the products that have the cones in them. Like I said, they are pretty far down towards the bottom of the list, so it doesn't seem like it will have maybe as much of an effect on your hair, but I'm definitely going to put that to the test for you guys. So my next upcoming wash day, we will be diving into the Queen Collection from Woman to Woman Naturals. So I'm excited to dive into these products for you guys. I'm so glad I was able to share them with you. If you want to see more videos like this, please definitely let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and let me know if there's any other products or brands that you would like me to try here on my channel. Very open to doing that as well. If you've heard of Woman to Woman Naturals before, let me know. And if you're interested in buying some products, I do have a discount code that you can use, and you can check them out for yourself, and that is NBCherie10, and you can definitely get some coins off when you go to purchase from them. If you're curious to see how these products work on hair like mine, definitely stay tuned for the next video, because that will more than likely be the next video that I put out. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be tuned into my future videos once they are uploaded. Until then, you guys, thank you so much for watching my channel and checking out this unboxing with me. I will see you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to live out loud on your truth and let your light shine. Bye.